quarters. If you do quarters, they should be on the grill for about an hour and a half. Normally, you can find 3 to 3.5 pound chicken. That's a common size. You can have the grocery store quarter them. And the barrels are homemade. There's a flat metal plate in the bottom to keep the fire at a uniform level. The mesh is stainless steel mesh, charcoal. Usually it takes more than one run of charcoal to finish the job. The vinegar helps kind of an on-site marinade. Water really isn't a critical thing except for the steam and help the chicken cook in that regard.
Pull back. Every time you flip, you spray. Pork and chicken, one method you can use to kind of help with some of your overcooking errors if you get distracted is to brine it. And when you brine it, it's a simple mixture. It's 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a quart of water. You put the chicken in that brine mixture for an hour to 6 hours. And what that brine mixture, the salt will straighten out the proteins in the meat, and then the sugar molecules get in between that, those proteins, layers of protein in the meat. And then when you cook it, it shrinks. And because the sugar is between the proteins, it can't squeeze the water out, so it stays moisture. Works great with pheasant, because you know pheasant can get so dried out. If you brine pheasant, it makes a big difference when it comes to cooking it. And doneness is the other thing. Vern knows how to, just by looking at chicken, how when it's done. If you're like me, you rely on a meat thermometer. Chicken is 180 degrees, pork is 160. When you use the thermometer, push it in sideways. The other key, chicken, you can pretty much cook it until it's 180 and take it off. So the key is managing that timing when you take it off.
Come up here and look. There's some examples.